Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and today in this video we're going to unbox the ENRG boom suspension scissor arm stand for your microphone. So basically it's just a scissor arm stand that will connect your microphone. Anyways, let's begin the unboxing video. So here is the box, let's unbox it. So I bought it from Dras.pk. If you're interested, I will put the video the buying link in the video description. So pretty good packaging by the seller. Here we go. Got some tape here as well. Oops. And here we go. The bubble wrap is out, and here is the box itself. We're just going to cut open the tape. Okay, thinks the box should okay, it's just open from here. So here is the stand itself. Here you can see professional stand recording mic. The one thing cool about why I bought this particular stand is that it has your mobile phone holder as well. So it holds your microphone, which is its main purpose, but with that it can also hold your phone as well if you're going to do some other things. So that's very useful. So applicable for pop mic, phone, etc, etc, and not very good inside, I would say, like that. So let's just open it and see. So here we got this ENRG seal, if you can see right here. Let's cut open the seal. Here we go. So nothing too much on the box. Here we got a side picture of it as well, if I can show you. Here we have the clamp that will connect to or clamp on your table, the holders for your mobile phone, and the holder for your microphone. So that should be present in the box, and the same thing on the other side as well. So opening the box, we're going to have our actual stand, the clamp to hold your phones, the clamp to hold your microphone, this screw which I really don't know about, so I'm going to look at it, and last but not least, so the box just opened up, the microphone filter, the table clamp, your phone holding arm, and that's all. So the box is empty. Really, I wouldn't say the best packaging in the world, like it wasn't really glued or stapled. Anyways, putting that aside, we're interested in the product. So we got our phone arm. Here we have our table clamp, so that we can clamp the main stand to the table. Here we go. Here it is. So here we have it. So here we got this little clamp, so it's full metal, so that's really good, it's not going to break. We got this, which I'm going to see later for what purpose this is. We got our microphone shield. So here is your phone holder, as you can see, made of plastic. So this is the place where you're going to connect this arm with this circle side. So you just need to loosen the screw, like somewhat. So it's going to take some force to put it inside for the first time, but once it's inside, you can just tighten it up like this, and here we go, and the other side will be connected to your stand. And here is our actual scissor stand itself. Here we go. So made of metal, not very high quality and not very strong, but it is going to hold your microphone, so not very much. So for the length, you can get an idea. I would say not that much length. Anyways, you got your clamping stand, so that you can stick it any place and it will stick over there. Your microphone holder will connect right here, and the table clamp will connect here. So let me just connect it. So here is my main scissor stand, and here is my table clamp. So you got a hole on the table stand clamp, etc. So you need to put the scissor stand inside it like this. So make sure that it is on the front so that it has its base, and on the back you're going to have this little hole, so the screw that came with it you need to just put in here and tighten it so that it doesn't move from there, something like this. And once it's inside you can just tighten it and the stand won't move. So I have clamped the stand to the table. Now in order to connect the microphone holder, you got this little nut at the very end, and here you have the microphone holder itself. You can see it has a little screw hole on the back, so it's pretty simple. All you need to do is align this, and this main screw is rotatable as long as this is not tightened up. So we're going to rotate this until we get it inside, and you can see it has been tightened. Now we can just adjust the way we want and we can just screw it like that. Simple as that. We got our microphone holder as well. So let me move the camera to little back. So once this is done, we need to connect the I would say the microphone shield that came in the box, and how you can connect it. So for that, here we have our microphone shield, and we got this rod in the packet as well. So on the one side of the rod you're going to have this screw and this nut type place. So what you need to do is, if you look carefully and if the camera can focus on it, we have a little hole on the microphone shield. So it's pretty simple. You need to align them and you need to just rotate it so that it goes into place like that. Nothing too much complex, and it's going to go something like that. So make sure that you now screw this from here using the screw, and it's something like that. Here on the actual stand you got a little hole on the very front and on this metal place as well. So I know the camera can't focus on it because the hole is small. Anyways, I'm going to pass this metal from that hole, as you can see, to the hole on this thing. Make sure that you loosen the screw, just pass it from this hole like something like here you go. So once you have passed it, you can adjust it according to your taste. And if you can see right now, the microphone this microphone shield is inverse. So what we can do is we can move the main rod there, tighten it, we can just loosen it, and we can do something like that. So this is your main microphone stand with the shield. And now in order to connect the microphone, it's pretty simple. Here I have a small boom microphone. You can use any microphone. So here on this side we got these rubber bands. So all you need to do is to move the microphone from inside it, and it will go in this place, and I will connect the back wire to the back as well. So you're going to have some kind of look. If you have a big microphone, it can go from the front to the back, it doesn't matter. I have a small microphone which isn't, I would say, mainly made for this purpose, but to show in the video I am showing it. So in this way you can install your microphone scissor arm stand. So here is the final view. You got your microphone shield, the microphone, and the microphone stand as well. And if you guys can see, these are rubber bands. So if you accidentally broke, it's not very hard. You can just get any rubber band and place it and replace it. Anyways, here we have the main scissor stand, and here we have two holes. This is the place where you can insert the phone stand as well, which is unique about this particular stand. If you want to, you can do so, but I don't need it. I just bought it as an optional choice, and here you can see it goes down. So guys, this is the unboxing video of this scissor stand or the scissor table stand for the microphone and its installation. If you guys like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any kind of questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching and stay safe.